विसवाबरान तुमकां परत एक फावट येवकार. आतां पळोवया खेळ मळावल्यो खबरो. गोंय फुटबॉल संघटनेचो अध्यक्ष म्हणून श्रीनिवास धेंप्याक सोमारा 1 वर्स जालें. ऑक्टोबर 2010 जाल्ले वेंचणुकेत धेंपो आनी पीटर वाझान अध्यक्षपदा खातीर बऱ्यापैकी नेट लायिल्लो. वर्सभरांत आपल्या फुडारपणा खाला GFAन केल्ल्या वावराचेर धेंपो सातिस्वेत आसा. पूण इतल्यान सोंपूंक ना. अजूनय बरेंच कितें करपाचें उरलां हाची जाणीव ताका आसा.
I am here with the GFA president, Mr. Srinivas Dempo, who completes 1 year today at the desk of the GFA president. Sir, first of all, how does it feel 1 year as a GFA president? You had earmarked a few things that you wanted to do as soon as you became the president. Are you happy with whatever you've achieved so far as the president?
I think, to be very precise, Nikhil, you were the one who was the first to interview me after, I took over as president exactly in the Mandavi Hotel when the elections. And if you vividly remember, we had, and when I say it's me, it's not only me, the new executive committee of GFA had clearly said that the priorities would be infrastructure development, youth development, and administrative reforms. And I think I cannot say we get full marks on this. We had a slow beginning. We had to iron out a lot of issues in the beginning. We didn't have a full-time secretary. We had to completely revamp the secretariat. So we began by inducting a fresh blood in Anup Abraham, who was given into charge of youth development. I am very happy to tell you that enough progress has been done on the youth development front with Anup being in charge. Recently the ASOP delegation was in Goa. They were very, very happy with Anup and also how GFA is responding. We have already chalked out a plan of having 20 centers by the end of next year. So basically adding another 8 centers. There are also a lot of rollout programs planned to involve not only the small boys and girls, but to roll out to involve the community. On the infrastructure development, I think there have been a lot of positive developments. With the support and help of executive committee, we have been able to have the coverings on the Duler Stadium. The next phase of development also has made progress. Just to brief you, the file has almost got cleared at the government level. There has been progress on, and we intend to start work. Yes, in the next 2 to 3 months, we'll intend to start work with the new Duler Stadium. Also on the front of Fatoda, with GFA's persistent, efforts, and of course with the cooperation and support of government, we're finally going to see the floodlights because the tender has been allotted. And I was told by Mr. Prabhudesai that work is starting next week. Actual groundwork is starting by end of this week. So I think these are some of the positive developments. Of course, a lot needs to be done. 1 year is not enough. But I think, just to put it in the right phrase, with everyone's support, with the support of the clubs, executive committee, we've got a very experienced hand in Albert Colasso now. Everything seems to be on a proper rollout plan, which will get culminated at the end of the season. So I think from that perspective, the admin reforms also have happened.
पणजेच्यान आमचो खेळा खबराकार निकीर परेरा आणि चलचित्र खबराकार देवेंद्र गांवकार.
झारखंड रांचीत जाल्ल्या धांवपाच्या सर्तींत गोंयच्या अनीक नायकान 100 मीटर गटांत नवो रेकॉर्ड केला. दक्षिण जिल्लो राष्ट्रीय एथलेटिक्स सर्तींत नावेलीचो हो तरणाटो 11.24 सेकंदांत हे अंतर धांवलो. गोवा एथलेटिक्स असोसिएशनान ह्या राष्ट्रीय सर्ती खातीर 20 खेळगड्यांचो पंगड धाडिल्लो. अनिकाकूच पदक मेळ्ळें. वास्को रेल्वे स्टेशनाचेर आयतारा ह्या पंगडाक हुनहुनीत येवकार दिलो.
अनिक नायक बऱ्यापैकी एथलेट जावन आसा. नावेलीच्या रोजरी हायर सेकंडरीत शिकपी अनिकान आतां मेरेन बरीच पदकां जिखल्या. झारखंडाक गेल्ल्या गोंयच्या एथलेटिकां मदीं फकत अनिकाकूच पदक मेळ्ळा.
म्हाका खूब खोशी भोगता आनी हांवें रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक केला तो सारकोच हेंशें जाला म्हाका. म्हणून हांव सगळ्यान चड सराक थँक्यू म्हणूंक सोदता, मिसीक थँक्यू, म्हाज्या पेरंट्सांक आनी एसएजीक सगळ्यांक. सगळ्यान चड म्हणटा तें म्हाका सिंथेथीक ट्रॅकाचेर केन्नाच प्रॅक्टीस करूना थंय आनी हांगा गोंयांत केन्ना सिंथेथीक ट्रॅकूय बी ना, ताका लागून चड त्रास सिंथेथीकाचे जाला.
अनिकाच्या कामाची खेळा खात्याची कोच वृंदा वेंडलेकारान तोखणाय केली.
अनिकान एकट्याकूच ताका मेळ्ळें आनी ताणें तें सुद्दां ताजें मेडल, गोल्ड मेडल ताजें तें विथ न्यू मीट रेकॉर्ड. आनी ताणें 100 मिटरान घेतलें म्हणून आय एम प्रावड ऑफ हिम बिकॉज इन स्प्रिंटींग इव्हेंट ही गॉट द गोल्ड मेडल दॅट ऑल्सो विथ न्यू मीट रेकॉर्ड.
अनिकान इतिहास घडयलो म्हूण दक्षिण गोंय एथलेटीक असोसिएशनाचो अध्यक्ष शरद चोपडेकार बरोच खोशी जाला.
नॅशनल एवरी टायम ऑर्गन अंडर 16 आनी अंडर 14 आनी दोज सेलेक्टेड हॅड बीन सेंड फॉर द नॅशनल्स. हरिद्वार गेले लास्ट टायम आनी ह्या फावटी रांचीक गेल्ले. पण 9 वर्सां आमी स्ट्रगल करता आनी आमी प्रॅक्टिकल लोकां कडल्यान पार्टिसिपेट्स काम करता आनी आमकां ऑल ओवर सावथांतल्यान पार्टिसिपेट जाता भुरगे जाल्यार दीस इज आफ्टर 9 years आफ्टर अवर स्ट्रगल म्हाका दिसता आमी पयलीं एथलेट आसले पण दीस इज द फर्स्ट टायम वी हॅड ब्रॉट ग्लोरी अँड नेम फॉर द गोवा दीस बॉय.
वास्कोच्यान आमचो खबराकार सुरेंद्र मडकयकार.
आनी इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.